Hello, Richard speaking from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokyo Marui NGRS Delta in tan. This one has had obviously a custom build, which we'll go over in a second. We've also done the custom CTR stock at the back there, which is basically held on with a couple of screws there, and there'll be a 1300 milliamp battery inside there. To run it, it's the neatest option for having the CTR stocks done. So internally, we have the, go over this. So we've got the upgraded Eagle 6 power spring. We've got the Solink R kit, the number 7 with the wide cut 280mm barrel. With the FPS bushings, we've got the Prometheus hard gears. We've got the upgraded recoil return spring. We've got the FPS spring guide, FPS piston head and carbon fibre piston. We've got the cylinder head from FPS. We've got the cylinder from FPS. We've got the air nozzle from FPS, but the tappet plate from Prometheus. So we're fitting the Prometheus tappet plates until FPS sort their tappet plates out. We've got the Prometheus selector plate. We've got the Prometheus anti-reversal latch. We've got the Solink helical pinion bevel set, so which is the sort of Solink's helical set. We've got the F factory frame pin, which is on the side here. We've got the Gate Titan NGRS Expert Edition. We've got the Solink V5 adjustable motor. We've got, which has been adjusted to 35k on the 18:1s. We've got the hard Laylax locking ring at the back here. And like I say, the CTR stock that we've talked about, which is obviously running on the 7.4 volt battery. So we're just going to demonstrate it working. We've range tested on 3.2s and 4.3s as per the customer's request, and yeah, it's all shooting good. So it's ready to get oranged up and go to faraway lands. So. As you can see, it's as quick as you can pull the trigger on the trigger response, which is great. There we go, so all tested working. Any problems with the configuration of build, let us know before dispatch, but otherwise hopefully everything's all good and we can get this sent out to you. Obviously, because it's going to America, it's going to have the orange tip installed, and then obviously we're going to put some orange tape over the gun. We call it California camouflage, but yeah, just to make it, make sure it gets through customs for you. But yeah, we hope you look forward to it. All right.